Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the CapCut color grading tutorial on how you can create a serene coloring for your edits in CapCut. So first, just add the clips and then go straight to the adjust to start the color grading. And here, for the contrast, I increase it to 7 and the saturation 11. Exposure 9, and then I increase the sharpness to 24, and then click on the edge cell, and here I'm adjusting the yellow and also the green color only. So for the yellow, set the hue to around 20, and then the green one, set the hue to around 10, like this. Now you can just go back and click on the temperature, increase it to 12, and for the hue, increase it to 14. Lastly, add some vignette effect around 10. And you are done. And this will be the final result. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So this is the before, and here is the after. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. So please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks button below. Bye.